Holy shit, guys. I've waited so long for this to finally be riding again. All these fucking... Trying to be careful on the rocks. This bike is low as shit. But I told you guys I was going to do a video of this thing back together. And here it is. I'm going to ride it. I got a couple of errands to do. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't die. I'm going to go recharge all the batteries, even though I just did that. But I haven't been using it. So I got 5 batteries and I need to start cycling through them. I also need to get my hand-eye coordination back. And my skills, because not riding for that long, obviously I'm going to be rusty. Also, I always go around these things because my bike scrapes. This thing's low as shit. Get this new Q5S broken in. Hopefully we don't do any spills, because I've ridden 10 miles this whole year and my back tire is brand new, not broken in yet. I'm gonna go do some figure 8s in a parking lot somewhere. But man, without a helmet on, this fucking bike makes some seriously weird noises from the engine side. So I don't know if like it's normal or not. I feel like motorcycles make noises that, I don't know, kind of seem weird, but other than that, I got the suspension dialed to where, like, it's close. Definitely not perfect. We could do a little better, but I just want to ride it, honestly. I might take it to Carlisle and see what they charge to actually do the suspension sag now that I have legitimate forks in the front, because I had it tuned really hard before, and I want a stiff ride. Oh! Bug to the face. I don't know if the camera picked that up. Fucking clocked right in the face. I gotta grab something here and then we're gonna hit the highway. Alright, so if the camera's still recording, which it looks like it is, turns out I got so excited I forgot my backpack. So, let's go grab that. And close these gloves. Yeah, I need to go get new gloves too. Probably do that here soon. When I go to Carnes next, I will get gloves. See if I can hit this light. Will I get lucky? Come on. What's the bet that I run it? The bet is I do. Fuck them. I'm gonna take it wide because I'm trying not to swing this tire too bad. Oh, there's so much space. Oh, the cracks and pops. I love it. I missed it. I'm gonna take this little sliver right here. I don't mind if I do. Break this new tire in with some acceleration. The fucking pops. I just gotta check behind you, make sure no officers of the law are back there, because I ain't got no mirrors, ain't got no rear brake either. You don't need none of that stuff. All that stuff's for amateurs. This thing fucking stops. I'm glad that I rebuilt that that rotor, or the fucking caliper. But yeah, I'm gonna get in here, grab my backpack, and then probably go home, eat some tacos, and then we are gonna hit the highway. I might just hit the highway on the way home. I don't know yet, but Let's, alright, let's just doot. Can't believe I forgot my backpack. What a dumbass. Fucking idiot. I do have my keys though, so there is that. Oh, I missed riding. I missed it. Just a little nervous with that back tire yet because it's new and haven't ridden in a while. Can't believe I fucking forgot that shit. What a dumbass. Did I leave it in the truck? I did. It's in the truck. Grab my backpack. Instantly weighs me down. Lock it. Let's get the fuck out of here. I like to ride slow through here. You never know who's going to come around that corner. You never know. So one of the biggest reasons I got rid of that rear brake anyway, I understand, you know, you might pick up a little bit of speed and whatnot in the quarter miler, but the main reason I did it, which I saw guys doing it, and I'm like, okay, I don't ever want to do that. But I find myself playing with that rear brake way more than I should. I used to just, every time I'd get the chance, I would lock that back tire up. And I was going through tires way too much because I can't control myself, and I just love locking up that back tire. So it just seemed like a win-win. Less rotational mass, one less thing to worry about, and on top of that, I don't ruin rear tires anymore. Now I just got to keep myself from doing fat burnouts. I should just get a burner set of tires, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm definitely going to hit the highway. Hopefully I did this chain right, because I've never riveted a chain before. Is that the Popo? No, it's just a Ford Explorer. We ain't gonna do nothing crazy. Just gonna ride. Just gonna ride. One of the stupidest things you can do in your hometown is fuck with the cops. So I try to keep myself on the good side of them and not do stupid shit in my hometown, because they will find you. And we're just gonna go. The highway is a different story, but we're not going to do anything crazy because I'd like to at least get some miles on the setup and then do some checkovers, because we just did everything. Brakes, forks, tires, so any of the suspension. Like, I touched every nut and bolt on this bike, so anything can come loose. So we're not going to do stupid shit. I'm going to save that for later. We're going to go ride through town. Unless that's traffic up ahead, then I'm going to go through that. I love lane splitting. Like low speed filtering and shit. Yeah, there was no traffic. Yeah, we're also going to be getting this thing tuned here soon. And I did find out that Carnes Performance has a dyno. So I will be taking it to more Mafia down in the Carolinas when we do the 750 swap. But in the meantime, I'm going to have Carnes Performance do it because they are pretty good at what they do, from what I hear. And yeah, I'm gonna grab my plate, make it legal. I ain't sitting in that. But when you're in your hometown, make your bike legal, because then you can't get pulled over for stupid shit. or registration issues or not having a plate. Oh, my gas lights. Well, it was on. I'm gonna get gas on the way to the gym later. Oh, let's throw neutral. Position yourself for safety. First gear. Yep, it is the gas light. Alright. I'll get gas on the way to the gym later. I don't think I'm doing anything crazy tonight at the gym, so I should be fine with not bringing my duffel bag. It has been way too long. October. Like, I've done like 10 miles. I don't even think I've done 10 miles. I think I'm saying that and over-calculating. Don't you hit me! I wouldn't even care if he hit me, to be honest. I've been more upset about the bike. Y'all ever notice that bikers, the first thing they ask when they crash is, how's my bike? Shit's wild. Like, they have no care about themselves. It's like, it's just the bike. I understand. I think it's the same way with car guys, which I used to be a car guy back in the day. I was a big Honda nut, but this video is just me rambling and enjoying riding the bike. I wanted to do some higher speed stuff on the highway, which I just did, and then do some slow speed stuff. And then when I get home, I'm going to check all the bolts and the nuts. Also checking the brakes right now because I'm flying for no reason. Usually when the gas light comes on, that means there's a gallon of gas left. So you see what I mean with that fucking... this is why I mentioned the tuning thing. These bikes run incredibly hot without a tune. Like, the fans don't come on until like 215, 220, 225 even. And it's really fucking stupid. And yeah, is this thing even recording? It is. Okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna get it tuned, and then we'll have it at probably have it come on at like 190 or something, 195. Oh man, I'm pretty sure the gas in this thing is also 8 months old. Pop. Woo. Pop. I'm gonna stop here, and I'm gonna give her some. Figure eights. Give her some figure eight. Them fucking lines are like ice. Don't hit one of the leaves though, you might slip. Fucking people bitching about grass clippings and shit. I could give a shit about grass clippings. So I used to be really good at doing legitimate figure eights and shit. Like when I passed the MSF course, I did a really good job. Like I could get my shit low on those little fucking 500s. But something to keep in mind is your rear brake is your friend. Rear brake is your friend. What I would do is I'd pull the clutch in and then coast that shit, because they wouldn't let you get out of second gear. I got third a couple of times and they yelled at me, but I still passed. Good time to practice and get that tire warm. God, I love the pops.